Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the search stands for EDC gear. Today we have Tea Candy Premium Collection Bayless Best Green Tea Latte and Citrus Green Tea, made with real tea extract, a natural source of antioxidants. 5.3 ounces or 150 grams. Infused with green tea extract. This is for the green tea latte. You can pause to read the nutrition facts and ingredient label. And this is for the citrus green tea. I'm going to try the citrus first, and then try the green tea latte second. Well, that flew out. This is what it looks like. I guess I took a chunk out of it or melted it down. Oh, that is very good, the citrus one. I played it so I could try the other one. Green tea latte. More creamy is the latte one. A rating on the citrus green tea is a 9.8 on low and high. This is a get if you can find it on Amazon or at your local Asian grocery store. This is creamy because of the latte part. So I give this a 9.7 out of 10 on low and high. A knife in the video is the OKnife Freeze 2 black coated 154 cm blade steel, aluminum scales, two-way clip tip up right or left, liner lock, action for days. Centering is not the best, and it's certainly not the least. No blade play side to side, no up and down. OKnife logo branding. Freeze 2. The light just went on fleek. I don't know if that's the correct word. It just went pow, and now it's brighter. Let me know what you think of both the tea candies, if you had them, in the comment section below. And let me know what you think of the knife in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Click what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your family, your friends, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. Yummy food like this tea candy. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.